day students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Okay, so it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last lectures, we are done with exercise 5.1 and in today's lecture, we are going to deal with exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, question number 1 is solve by dividing into equal groups. Solve by dividing into equal groups. So, part A, first of all, let's write the question. Solve by dividing into equal groups. Okay, so part A, 49 divided by 7. For dividing it equally, let's draw or let's consider something in number of 47. Let's consider there are 49 stars. Let me draw first. There are these 49 stars. Now we need to divide these stars into 7 groups. How will divide? Okay. So let's divide them in such a manner that each group is having equal number of stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 groups. So let's divide them into these 7 groups. Now see, each of them are having equal number of stars. Now let's count how many stars are there in each group. 1. See, at this place all the groups are having 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. Till here all the groups are having 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 6 stars and 7 stars. It means if we distribute this 49 stars in such a manner that 7 groups are made, then each of the group will be having 7 stars. So 49 divided by 7 is 7 groups with 7 in each group. 7 groups with 7 in each group. Okay students, so if suppose 100 in place of 49, if 100 would be given, then we will draw 100 things, 100 stars, 100 mangoes, then this will be difficult for us. So we know the tables. Yes, all of us know the table. What is the table of 7? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, and so on. You know the table of 7? Okay. Let me write it first. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and 7 tens are 70. So this is the table of 7. Here we got answer is 7 groups with 7 in each group. 49 divided by 7. So let's find out 49 in the table of 7. Here is 49. See, 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49, or 7 times 7 is also 49. So this is 7 times 7. 7 groups with 7 in each group. So rather than drawing so many things and then dividing, we can do it with the help of table 2. So this is the answer for part A. Let me rub all these things. So this is the answer for part A. 7 groups with 7 in each group. Note this down there, students. So student, in our first lecture when we started division, what we learned? Let's take a simple example. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. This was the total number of things. Total number of objects or things. This was number in each group. And this was number of groups made. So, this is the given by question. This we can find with the help of table, and with this we can find out number of groups and number in each group. So this is number of groups and this is number in each group. Okay students, so let's do it. Yes, so part B. Thirty divided by 5 is equals to dash groups with blank in each group. So with the help of table of 5, 30 divided by 5 is equals to 6. First of all, you need to write down the table of 5 and you will find out that in table of 5, 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30. So 6 we will write here. You will find out in table of 5. 30 in 6 time. So this is the number of group made. So here we will write 6 groups with number in each group. So 5 in each group. So 6 group with 5 in each group. Now the next one, C 40 divided by 8 is equals to. So for this we need to know the table of 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. So in 5 times in the table of 8 we get 40. 8 into 5 is equals to 4. So 5 will be the answer. If we divide 40 by 8, then 5 will be the answer. So 5 will be the number of groups made. So in this circle we will write 5 and 8 will be number in each group. So in this circle we will write 8. So note down this much, dear students. This all is our rough work. So 30 divided by 5 is 6 groups with 5 in each group, and 40 divided by 8 is 5 groups with 8 in each group. I hope students you have noted down this much. Okay, so part D. 48 divided by 4 is equals to blank groups with blank in each group. So let's see the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. But the number here we are having is 48. So we need to extend the table of 4. So 4 into 11 is 44, 4 11s are 44, 11 4s are 44, and 4 into 12 is 48. 12 4s are or 4 12s are is 48. So 48 divided by 4 is equals to 12. We know this is the number of group mate. And this is number in each group. So number of group mate means 12 groups with 4 in each group. Now, question E. Divided by blank groups with blank in each group. Okay, so for getting its answer we need to write down the table of 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54. Here we can stop because 54 is given here. So 9 into 6 is equals to 54. So 54 divided by 9 is equals to 6. This is the number of group made. So in the place of this length we will write 6. So 6 group with number in each group. So 9 in each group. So 54 divided by 9 is 6 groups with 9 in each group. So now question F. 15 divided by 5 is equals to blank groups with blank in each group. So for this you need to write the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. So 5 threes are 15 and 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. This is multiply divide cycle. We know this now. this is the number of group mate and this is number in each group. So number of group mate means 3 groups and number in each group means 5 in each group. So 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3 groups with 5 in each group. Now the last one, G 100 divided by 10. For this we need table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100 means 10 into 10 is equals to 100. So 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 100. So 100 divided by 10 is equals to 10. This is the multiply divide cycle. This is the number of group made. So this is the number of group made. So 10 groups and this is the number in each group. So 10 in each group. So 100 divided by 10 is equals to 10 groups with 10 in each group. So these are the answers. Answer for D is 12 and 4. Answer for E is 6 and 9. Answer for F is 3 and 5. And answer for G is 10 and 10. All of you note down this. This exercise you need to note in the classwork copy. So students, this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.